If you're using Hermes Agent, Fugu Ultra is one of the first models I would test with it right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you where to go, how to sign up for Sakana AI and Fugu Ultra, how to get access to Fugu Ultra, how to create the API key, and how to connect it to Hermes Agent. But more importantly, I'm going to show you why I am using Fugu Ultra with Hermes in the first place. Because this is not just another chatbot. And to be clear, Fugu Ultra is an orchestration model, okay? That means the real value is not just that it answers a prompt, okay? The value is that it can coordinate intelligence between multiple LLMs, right? It can route work, it can review plans, and it can do gap analysis, and it can also help create a better execution strategy, which is what I've used it for, and you're gonna see in the upcoming video that I'm releasing soon. And when you put that inside Hermes, that is where it gets really, really powerful. And in the comment section below, I would love for you guys to put down there what you are using Fugu Ultra for and if you have tested it out yet. Now for context, my name is Andrew. I run 9 AI agents across 2 businesses, and both of them are 7-figure companies for clients and also my own personal business. I use Hermes and OpenClaw for real actual business workflows, not just demos. And right now I have been using Fugu Ultra as one of my main reviewer and orchestration layers inside Hermes since it came out. And Hermes can do the work, but Fugu Ultra can actually review that work and create better game plans. And that combination is extremely strong.
In 1 week, got 3 months worth of work done.
You saved us a lot.
Like, it's perfect. Like, you know everything.
The session was extremely valuable.
You have the guidance.
You're happier.
The
Like,
information is like worth paying for.
Keep doing what you're doing.
So first, what is Fugu Ultra? Okay, well, Sakana AI describes Fugu as a multi-agent system delivered as one model. Instead of you manually choosing which model should do which part of a task, Fugu handles the orchestration behind the scenes. You call one API key, but behind that API key, Fugu can coordinate a pool of different LLM models and expert agents. And Fugu is more balanced for the everyday usage. Fugu Ultra is the higher performance version for difficult multi-step high stakes work. Okay, that is the one I care about for Hermes. Now you might be wondering why Hermes, okay? And the reason this matters for Hermes is simple. Hermes is already an agent operating system, right? Very simply put, it has all the tools, it has all the memory, it has all of the files, okay? And it has terminal access to my Mac Mini for which it runs on. It also obviously has browser access that can go ahead and utilize that as well. And it can run all my workflows and spawn in any sub-agents that I want. So when you connect a model like Fugu Ultra to Hermes, you're not just asking Fugu to chat, okay? Like, it's not what this is for. You're giving Fugu a job inside of an operating system, okay? That is the real difference. And one thing I do want to state here is, very simply put, I see a lot of people making content on Fugu Ultra and Sakana AI, and they're running a bunch of benchmark tests, and they're putting it through a bunch of like weird different scenarios that I would never ever utilize these for, and most people wouldn't utilize them for, right? People are putting it in different IDEs, trying to utilize this in Codex, utilize this in Claude Code and in Cursor and all this other stuff. And to me, that doesn't really make much sense. I don't think that's where the strength is, right? And a lot of people are not saying that they're getting Fable-like responses or Fable-like performance. And I genuinely think that it depends on the use case that you're actually utilizing this for, right? Which I'm about to go into right now. But I genuinely think that this is very powerful. It did find a lot of things and a lot of edge cases, and I'm going to talk about that in tomorrow's video, or I'm sorry, Friday's video. But I just genuinely believe that this thing is more powerful than people think. And there's a reason why it's scoring very high on the benchmarks. It is because it's pulling all of the, frontier LLM models into the task that it has to utilize its task to execute. So at the end of the day, I wanted to make that very clear. I'm not putting this in any IDEs. I'm not trying to utilize it with Claude Code or Codex or anything like that. I have yet to see somebody actually make a video on this utilizing it with Hermes Agent, and I don't understand why, right? Because again, putting it through a bunch of benchmark tests and putting it through like random different little tests doesn't make sense to me. Like, that's not a real use case. And there might be some use cases where people just don't get better results, and that's fine. But that has not been my experience at all, and I wanted to make that very clear. But let's go ahead and move on now. So the way I'm using it is as the main orchestrator and reviewer for all of my important work, okay? Hermes runs on GPT 5.5 in my current setup connected to my OAuth. I'm OAuthed in through my GPT account. And Hermes executes quickly and handles the actual workflow, right? But then Fugu Ultra comes in and reviews the plan, does the gap analysis, looks for the edge cases, and helps create the source of truth for implementation and execution. And that is where it has been extremely impressive for me, okay? Now, I don't want it for every tiny task. I want it for the important work where mistakes are extremely expensive, okay? For example, I recently used Fugu Ultra to review part of my YouTube department operating system, okay? It reviewed all the proof files. It reviewed hosted readbacks. It reviewed my UI code, my server code, all of the payloads that get sent over to the command center and stuff like that. And it specifically checked things like whether the system was preserving source of truth, whether stale data was being handled, whether the UI was showing the right state, and whether we were accidentally marking unfinished work as complete, right? And by the way, just to be clear, I had Hermes already do an audit to do all of this and find all of these things, and it did not find all of them, not compared to what Fugu Ultra found, okay? Major difference here. Hermes was great with GPT 5.5, but even Hermes on GPT 5.5 said that Fugu Ultra's version and the audit was so much better and much more precise and found much more edge cases than it had found originally. So this is exactly the type of review layer I want inside of Hermes, especially when I'm building out a content distribution engine where I have multiple departments and everything within that content distribution or engine has to run and flow smoothly. This type of work is the type of work where I think Fugu Ultra is really useful. So now let me actually show you how to set this up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the computer here. And the first thing I obviously have up here is on Twitter. I have here Sakana AI Labs, which is the Twitter for Sakana and Fugu, right? And it's just introducing Sakana Fugu, a multi-agent orchestration system accessible via a single model API, okay? And their Fugu Ultra model matches the performance of Fable and Mythos, delivering frontier capability without the risk of export controls. Now, I do want to say something very quickly here, and that is the following. There is no other benchmarks, and this is true. There are no other benchmarks that are out there on Fugu Ultra and Fugu other than what their own labs and their own company has ever put out, right? So I'm not gonna go through all of these different benchmarks, but you can see obviously it's performing relatively high on a lot of these benchmarks. It's outdoing everything but Fable on most of the benchmarks, okay? On most of the benchmarks. And if not, I mean, it's still pretty comparable to them, right? Pretty comparable. So anyways, you can go on Twitter, go find it. You can see how they explain things, etc., etc. But this is the main tweet that came out, and obviously this went extremely viral. It got it's pretty much at 25 million views, and it's kind of taking the AI space by storm. Okay, so now this is the actual website here for Sakana, and you can see they have different things here, and they have a bunch of different tabs here, right? So what you're actually gonna wanna go do though is you're gonna wanna go to console.sakana.ai, okay? I'm not gonna bore you with all the other intricacies. I'm just gonna show you what you need to know because that's what's important, okay? If you wanna go take a look at all of this, you can and do that, that's fine. But at the end of the day, you probably want to just know, how do I set this up? How much does it cost? And how do I integrate it inside of my Hermes agent and my operating system? So for me, I went ahead and got the max plan for $200. And I want to tell you right now, I used Fugu Ultra a pretty good amount last night on my live stream, okay? If you guys are wanting to see that live stream, you can go ahead and check that out. It is on the channel. But I am wanting to say that I'm very pleased with the rate, with the usage limits that it has, okay? And before I get further, I do also want to say that if you are interested in having me set up your Hermes or OpenClaw agent or system in your Mac Mini or whatever computer you have, or you're wanting a done with you, done for you agent workflow built out, or you're wanting a consultation call, or you're wanting a consulting call, go ahead and click the link down below. It is the first link in the description. It'll ask you a couple questions and you can go ahead and fill it out and then go ahead and book a call with me if it makes sense. And lastly, if you are interested in joining my free Telegram group or following me on Twitter or X, the link is down in the description below. You can go ahead and follow me there inside the Telegram community. That's where I'm posting a lot of things that I'm not necessarily posting inside of on YouTube or anywhere else. And I also go live in Telegram so you can communicate with me and just, you know, jump in the live stream and ask me some questions there. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get right back to the video. Now, in here, I do have this. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna sign up, make the account, okay? Once you make the account, it's gonna take you here, all right? It's gonna take you here. And what you're essentially gonna do is you're gonna wanna go to billing. You'll go to billing and you'll choose whatever plan you want. Now, I recommend utilizing Fugu Ultra. If you're gonna use this, use the Ultra version. Now, I also have my effort level set on extra high, which is the highest it can go. You don't need to set it that high, but I set it that high. I never got my 5-hour limit over 10%, and I also never got the weekly limit, as you can see, over 5%, okay? And I use this a decent amount. So it's not like I wasn't using it at all. I was using it, not for everything, but I was using it in tandem with GPT 5.5 and my main Hermes agent, okay? So with that being said, I personally would go with at a bare minimum the $100 plan, because I do recommend you just use Fugu Ultra and use the extra high reasoning if you're wanting to. If not, just do high. But you should only be, again, using it, in my opinion, based on my experience. I'm utilizing it for very high level orchestration tasks and finding gaps and doing gap analysis, etc., etc. So for me personally, again, that's what I would do. If you're not going to use it for that, then I don't even know if this model would even be worth doing, because everything else GPT 5.5 on extra high effort level would be able to do, in my opinion. So long story short, minimum plan, I would get $100. And that's to use Fugu Ultra on extra high reasoning. I went with the $200 plan. Once you get that taken care of, you're gonna wanna go to the API key section. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna create an API key and you can name it whatever you'd like. And then you can choose, I think this is very interesting. You can choose whether it uses your subscription rate limits or it's a pay as you go. And then you can obviously choose to have a fallback pay as you go if you reach your usage limits, and then you create the key. And then once you do that, obviously you can go ahead and go to your Hermes agent and essentially tell your Hermes agent, hey, I wanna actually set up Sakana AI and I wanted you to use Fugu Ultra, or I wanna use Fugu Ultra on any sub agents. For me personally, I'm using Fugu Ultra on all of the sub agents. So I'll utilize my main agent Hermes with GPT 5.5 on extra high reasoning. And then what I'll do is I will go in and I will use Fugu Ultra, and it is now a default in the config that I use for any sub agent that gets spawned in. They use Fugu Ultra on extra high level reasoning. So that's what you do. And then you just give your agent the API key and you'll be good to go. They will configure the rest for you and you'll be set up. But again, here is the important part, okay? Do not waste Fugu Ultra on every tiny little thing, okay? I think that's one of the biggest mistakes that people might be making here. Use it where it actually matters, okay? That's the important part. Use it to review your workflows or your department or your orchestration. Use it for your audits. Use it for implementation plans. Use it for gap analysis. Use it to check if Hermes missed anything, okay? And use it to review proof of completion when your Hermes agent completes something. Use it when you need a stronger source of truth strategy before executing something very complex and important, okay? That's how I'm using it, all right? Hermes does all of the work still, all right? Fugu just reviews the work, and then I can make better decisions that way, and I can ensure that we're not missing anything. But the biggest mistake I think people are going to make is getting too low of a plan and then trying to use Fugu Ultra like a cheap everyday chatbot for everyday tasks, okay? That is not how I would think about it, and that's not how I'm using it. If you were just asking simple questions, you're probably not gonna need Fugu Ultra for that, right? But if you are using Hermes as an actual agent operating system and you are asking it to build systems, review workflows, audit code, check dashboards, and create implementation plans, then Fugu Ultra becomes way more valuable. That is why I think the Pro plan is the bare minimum for serious use, and Max is the best option if you're actually gonna wanna push the limits. And again, I'm gonna be testing this all week long, okay? I'm gonna be testing Fugu Ultra inside of my Hermes workflows, audits, dashboards, coding review, agent operations, and in my live streams. So if you want to check that out and you wanna tune into the live streams, hit subscribe on the YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. That way you're notified whenever I do go live. That's super important. I am going live every single day, Monday through Friday. So you're definitely not gonna wanna miss those, okay? I'm live streaming from anywhere from 2 to 4 hours and utilizing it in real time so you guys can see and talk to me about exactly what I'm doing and exactly how I'm using it and the results that I am getting. And if you want Hermes or OpenClaw installed for you, or you want done for you or done with you AI agent workflows built around your business or a consultation call, then fill out the form below in the first link in the description, and then you'll be able to book a call with me if it makes sense. Because the real leverage is not just knowing that Fugu Ultra exists. The real leverage is knowing how to put it inside of an operating system where it can actually do useful work. And this is not the only Fugu video that I am going to be making, okay? I'm dropping another video video on why Fugu Ultra exposed Fable 5's biggest weakness, okay? That one is more of the bigger picture reaction, and it's a comparison video you're gonna see in real time. This one is just a practical setup, and that one is actually gonna be showing you what I've done and what I've used with. So subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram, and comment below what you want me to test Fugu Ultra against next. Fable 5, whenever that releases. I've already done GPT 5.5. You'll see that in the next video. I'm utilizing it in my sub-agents, so just let me know what you want to see. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.